So, Robbie, I know you come from an agency background. You already had some experience inside of Meta and Meta advertising, but you wanted to pick up Google. So, prior to joining the Google Ads Ecom Academy, what were some of the things that you were struggling with?
So when it came to Google, I haven't had a lot of experience in it. I learned it about 2 weeks at another agency, but honestly, didn't really grasp Google as a concept and understanding it. And so I was looking for a community that could teach me or a mentor that could teach me. And honestly, when I was looking for one, then I came across you. But yeah, basically, I just didn't really have a lot of experience in it in the past. I just wanted to learn from someone that really knew what they were talking about. So I'm very glad I found this community.
Amazing. Was there anything in particular that we've helped you overcome since joining?
Not really anything in particular, but just gave me a lot of confidence in actually the Google Ads account that I'm running at the moment. And just making decisions at the moment, I feel a lot better when making the decisions. And I know just are decisions that maybe came from understanding from you guys, just because obviously in the past I just haven't had a lot of experience. And now I'm understanding the accounts, I'm understanding what to do in them to improve them. So nothing in particular, but just as a whole, just having more confidence in them.
It's given you the confidence to make decisions and feel a little bit more comfortable inside of the advertising accounts for some of your clients.
Exactly.
Amazing. So prior to joining, was there anything that you were maybe concerned about?
Not really. Are you talking about the community?
Yeah.
Not really. I mean, I've put a lot of investment into myself and self-education. And honestly, every time I've definitely seen a return on it. So, I mean, obviously, you're not 100% sure what the community is or the admin, but as soon as I came in and I saw the videos and I saw how quickly you guys got back to me, I was just very, very excited, to be honest. And also, just obviously, the community was quite small when I joined. So, honestly, that was very, very beneficial as I just got a lot of attention, which is great.
Yeah, definitely. It's been nice to see you grow even personally. You were one of the first members to join, and now when I see you whizzing about an ad account, it's great to see. Amazing. So what was it that specifically made you decide to join the Google Ads Ecom Academy then? You said you've had some sort of mentorship or you've joined some communities in the past. Is there anything that made this one stand out?
So the reason I joined is because honestly, I've been on YouTube, obviously trying to find solutions to my questions, and there aren't actually that many good YouTube Google channels out there. I think there's maybe one or two. And yeah, I mean, obviously that's quite mainstream. There are some good YouTube channels, but I couldn't find any solid groups. So when I just came across your ad on your ecom podcast, I was just very excited. I literally just saw it. You said you have a Google Ads school community, and I know what school communities are because just seeing it on YouTube. So I was just very excited and literally just went straight from there and joined it. Yeah.
Perfect. So having been in the community now for a couple of months, what are some of the things that you would say you find most helpful or valuable inside?
So obviously the starting basis are all the modules and the videos that are in the community, just going through all of that to just gain a deeper understanding of the market research, and then just actually understanding how to build out each campaign properly. And with my accounts now, if I need to build out a campaign, I can refer back to those videos, which are awesome. And then obviously just the question tab in the community. So it's not like a constant, well, it is a back and forth, but it's quick. I don't have to wait a couple of days to get an answer back.
Yeah. So speed to implement then when you really need to make optimizations inside the client accounts. Yeah. We also recently reintroduced the kind of WhatsApp support as well. And I know you used that earlier today, and it opens it up a little bit more to, myself, Joe, and the rest of the team as well, because I'll admit I don't always check school every single day. And sometimes I'll come there and see that, oh, there was actually a question yesterday that I didn't get back to. So WhatsApp allows it to keep it kind of front of hand for everyone as well. So hopefully that's also a nice added benefit. Lastly, then, what would you say to someone who's maybe considering joining, or maybe they've come across the school route, they're not sure?
Honestly, just try it out. I know you even got the 7-day free trial in there, but I'd be very surprised if you come in actually wanting to learn Google Ads and not find it beneficial. I mean, obviously you guys are operating at a very high level inside Google Ads, and then just work at customer service, but you guys are just very, very helpful with getting back to us as soon as possible. And then also the Q&A calls are awesome because obviously we can come in there, learn, and then ask questions ourselves. So I don't think people should think twice about it. Just come in, see what it's about, and then make a decision for yourself. But I think you wouldn't want to leave, to be honest.
Oh, thank you. I really, really appreciate that. really appreciate the feedback. And yeah, like you say, 7-day free trial is there. That's exactly what it's for. So if anyone does want to get involved, they can try the 7-day free trial. And like you said, I'm sure they will stay, but if for whatever reason they feel as though what's inside isn't valuable, they've always got the opportunity to leave. So thank you again, Robbie. Really appreciate your time. Looking forward to seeing you grow further and be part of your journey every step of the way.
Awesome. Thanks, Theo. Looking forward to it.